Could I fathom or comprehend this life you give? Tell me, where do I begin? Oh, look at my hands, oh, Kimake bicherubi, Tabi said I feel Lord, Lord, Timo, why you want to fish, sure. Your mercy and goodness, in my finger, and I feel it. Oh, I see it. Gratitude is it. I saw it everything in me. I say, show, yes, yes. With everything in me, I say, show, yes. Cause every time I look to my right, every time I look to my left, all I see all over me is your faithfulness. Every time I look up and down below, every time I look from top down below, all I see all over me is your faithfulness. It's your faithfulness. Oh, I know, I know, I know. I still cannot fathom or comprehend this love you give. Tell me, where do I begin? Tell me, where do I begin? Look at my hands, oh, Kimake bicherubi, Tabi said I feel. When you love, Lord, Timo, why you want to fish, sure. Your mercy, your goodness, my finger bind, I feel it. Oh, I see it. Gratitude is it. I saw it, everything in me. I said, show, yes, yes. With everything in me, I say, show, yes, yes. Cause every time I look to my right, every time I look to my left, all I see all over me is your faithfulness. And every time I look from up in the middle, every time I look from top down below, all I see all over me is your faithfulness. And this your faithfulness, show, yes, yes. With everything in me, I say, show, yes, yes. 'Cause every time I look to my right,
Okay, good evening, everyone, and I'm so excited to be hosting you tonight on Market Session with Peter Akinla. It's another beautiful opportunity, another beautiful week today. Let me start by asking, how was last week? Hope you ended last week profitable. Hope your P and L was on positive note last week. So last week is gone, last month is gone. It's a new month entirely, and then we seek new opportunities into the market. Tonight, before we get into the market, let me say, if you can hear me clearly and if you can see my screen, please drop that on the chat box there. Also, let me know who is on the call tonight and then where you are joining from. So, without taking much of our time, I'm just going to hit the ground running. Let's get to Forex Factory. Let's see what is the news, the high impact news that are coming this week. You know, it's a new month, and we are going to have uh, some news this week that we need to be very conscious of. If you are not a news trader, our advice you stay out of the market during that news or the whole day, if not so many. Personally, I don't trade on the first Friday of every month, except for few cases, few peculiar cases. So I don't know what method or what is peculiar to you, but you know the most important thing that make you profitable as a trader is to have your rules and stick with them. Every time you go outside of your rules or the rules of the market, you pay for it, and sometimes you pay dearly. So let's get minutes on this call tonight. Please confirm you can see my screen. Okay, so on Monday we have a high impact news by 3 p.m. Nigeria time. Uh, ISM manufacturing PMI on Monday. Tomorrow we have that high impact news. On Tuesday we have 2:15 p.m. We have a JPY big news. This is most likely going to be the news that will break that support area. So whatever you want to do, if you are not a news trader, you might want to lock your entry or put your trailing stop loss before this particular time, or take your profit if market has given you what you needed for the day. So it's just important that we are conscious of this. So on Wednesday we have USD news 115, ADP non-farm employment change. We also have same day 3 p.m. ISM service PMI. It's the first week of the month, so I'm not surprised for all of this. Almost every day of the week we have high impact news. So this week is going to be a very volatile week, very volatile week. So be careful in the market, be very careful. So make sure you have this open every day so that you can pay attention to all of the news, and you can navigate your way through the oceans of this market today. I mean, this week. Look at Friday. The whole of Friday is for news. You come from CAD to USD. So if you are trading USD CAD, you should expect huge volatility on Friday. So that said, let's get into the charts and pick few things. So let's start with my favorite pair, Euro JPY. So I was talking about the support will likely break. This is the support I was talking about. Let me bring back you can see it's narrow. Let me take it away. So this is the support I'm talking about. You would think it has broken here, but no. At best, this is a liquidity grab. There's a lot of liquidity below old lows and old highs. So market will always seek to take those liquidity before moving. So this week is a deciding week. Let me go to H4. Let me show you what happened last week. Last week when we were having a session, I think market was around here, and then what we have after, market was around there during that time, and what we have after, market could not break through, took some time, went up, and then only for us to end up here. So like I said, this week is going to be the deciding week for the market. For this particular, either we break this support to the downside, or market take out this high to validate a change of character, meaning market is now bullish and no longer bearish. But until then, we'll be looking for opportunity to sell. So moving forward, moving on, we are let's check the USD, that is the DXY. Okay, so the last 3 days, uh, dollar gain each strength, as you can see, but then the the dominant the dominant trend has been bearish, even though this might want to indicate a change of character. But we need to validate that when markets open tonight to see if dollar is now bullish, so that we can change our bias on all dollar pairs. So let's move on to gold, XAUUSD. So the last 3 to 4 days on gold has been bearish, and then the market is so if we say if dollar has been bullish, I'm sure you know what to expect. What we are expecting is anything with it, anything trading against it should be bearish, and that's why we have this here. So once we confirm that, in fact, let's even say it's been confirmed because this has been taken out. There's a break of structure, there's a change of character here. Let's even go to higher time frame to confirm this. Look at this. There's another change of character on daily time frame. So there's nothing to confirm here again. So if there's any play we are looking at here, it's the bearish play. We are looking to take a sell on gold, but then it will really help us if we look for a good spot to take that sell, to not just initiate a sell. There's another block here which is just above the 50% fib level. There's another block here that can attract price, and obviously there's a fair value gap here. There's an imbalance somewhere here that also somehow correspond with a breaker block. So those are the places we are looking for price to retrace. Remember, you shouldn't even go run after price. You should let price come to you so that you can maximize your place in the market. So the next one is BTC USD. BTC USD. We saw a huge fall last week, only for markets to turn around again. And that's one sweet thing about Bitcoin. So look at it. Okay, it didn't get to my. I don't think it got to that place. It didn't get to my. So this hasn't even. Um, this is yet to tell us anything that Bitcoin is now bullish. Don't be confused yet. We cannot, because now take a look at it. Let's go back to the daily time frame. For me to be very comfortable with a bullish market here, we would be looking at um, market taking over this high, at least this particular here. Market taking over this high here would be a good sign that we are now bearish. To be a very good sign that we are now bearish. Market taking crossing the 100,000 limit, 100,000 mark. Yeah, currently on 92 is almost there. So But currently, if we are going to initiate a play, this is the play we are going to initiate. We are going to initiate a play. This is the play we are going to initiate. We are going to see, look at this. We are going to assume a break of structure here. This is another break of structure here. So what am I even saying? This 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 bullish already. So I will probably just be looking at if a retracement will ever happen, but it should because there's a huge gap. So looking at market retracing into this somewhere around there, if that will ever happen. If this ever happen, I doubt it will happen. But if it ever happen, but it's not impossible actually, because even the huge rise that we had, I wasn't expecting it to be that fast. So if this ever happen, if market ever touch here again, I mean, put anything on it, like it's gonna be a massive win to the upside. So it is, and then remember, we don't predict the market; we just look at different scenarios. So that's it. And then with all of the news we have, it's gonna be a volatile week, a very volatile week, a very volatile week, a very volatile week. So that's all for uh Euro JPY, Euro JPY. We checked Euro JPY. Stay safe and then do have a profitable week ahead. Thank you. Bye bye.